Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Magic Mouse to your Mac. If you don't have another mouse or trackpad, so you cannot go into Bluetooth settings in order to connect your mouse with Bluetooth settings. It happens usually when you have an iMac, Mac Studio or Mac Mini, which don't come with a built-in trackpad, so you cannot go into Bluetooth settings with a trackpad, or if your trackpad doesn't work on your MacBook. To fix that issue, you just need a cable that connects both to your mouse and your Mac. I'm gonna use a Lightning to USB-C cable. It depends on when your mouse was manufactured. It may have a Lightning or USB-C if it's 2024 or newer. I'm gonna plug in the mouse at the bottom, and the other end of the cable is gonna be plugged into the Mac. Then make sure also that the mouse is on with this switch, and you can see the notification that the mouse is wirelessly connected to this Mac, so you can just unplug the cable already, and it says connected here, and that means that your mouse is connected. You can see that I can use it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.